Good evening. I'm JT Stevens. Welcome to Just Asking. Tonight I have a question for black folks out there today. And my question is, what's next? What do we do now going forward as a people? We played into the Republican Party. We played into the Democratic Party. We allowed them to feed us things that they claim to help us and enrich us and free us. But a lot of their programs and a lot of the things they given us was only devices to enslave us even more. You know, we stood in line to vote using a system that was not freeing us or making us feel free, but a system that was only enslaving us even more. Depending on change from someone else for our lives, black people, but all we seem to get is the same results. We allowed them to enter into our communities like weeds and choke us out, making it hard for us to survive in our own communities. They fill our communities with things that really doesn't benefit us, but things and resources to only tear us down and draw us apart from each other. So black people, I'm asking you this question today. What's next? What do you do next? What do we do to empower ourselves? What do we do to fix things for us in our communities? We waited on their solutions, but who do their solutions benefit? We don't see change in our communities. We don't see change in our education. All we get is promises and a free ticket to stand in a line to vote for something that has not been working for us from generation to generation. Every election year, we're voting on the same issues, the same things, the same needs and wants. So black people, we have the power, we have the resources. So what are you going to do next? Are you going to continue to wait on programs that doesn't benefit you? Are you going to continue to listen to empty promises that doesn't benefit us economically or physically or spiritually? God has given us as a people a greater power than anybody else. But long as the enemy can keep us blind and unaware of what's going on, we find ourselves trapped in a system that is not meant to benefit us, not created to help us rise above and become productive, but a system that has and was created to keep us and hold us down, to put us in a box, to allow us and cause us to turn against each other. As a black people, we have been led to believe that the answer for our solutions and the remedies for our problems lie outside of ourselves. But I'm here to tell you that God has given you a power much greater than any man can give you. And that power lies within our hearts, black people. We have strength We have wisdom. We have knowledge. We have patience. You know, God spoke to us through his word. And he told us that the kingdom of God is within. So black people, I ask this question again. What do you do now? It's your move. It's your move on this chessboard of life. And you notice on this chessboard of life, there's only two colors, black and white. It's our time, it's our turn to make a move for ourselves. We sat back on this game board of life waiting for someone else to move, our kings, our queens, our knights. We have waited on someone else to move our pawns and our bishops. When are we going to stop waiting on others to move us in a direction in which only we can move ourselves? When are we going to wake up and take back what has already been ours, our inheritance? You tried the programs. Are they working for you? In our communities, we see more diagnostic clinics, liquor stores, fast food joints. We see violence among each other. That's not how it's supposed to have been, people. Because see, what we see and what they will have us to see, that's how they entrapped us. But see, because they see power, they see unity. They see a people coming together with so much power, strength, wisdom, and understanding and knowledge that they're afraid that they wouldn't be able to control it. The power is in your hands, people. The move is yours. Don't allow no one else to put you in a checkmate position. Take a look at ourselves, black people. Take a good look in the mirror and know who you are. Do you want someone else to dictate, navigate, and write your story? History was just a picture to be painted, a story to be told on where our true strength lies. Don't look outside of yourself, people. Look within your hearts. So what do we do now? It's your move. What direction do you want to take this strategy in? Do you want to grow? Do you want to build? Do you want to evolve with the rest of this world? Or do you want to stay entrapped, waiting on someone else to do the things in which only you can do for yourself and for your people? It's time that we take back our communities. It's time that we begin to show more love and compassion for each other. It's time that we use our gifts and talents to build, to grow, to create villages, to create kingdoms, to create neighborhoods, to create education systems, to create food chains, to create exercise and health plans that benefit us as a people. It's time for us to get from up under their control, to let go of their philosophies, their opinions, and their ideals about us as black people, because only we know who we truly are. And we only know, and only we know what benefits us as a people, as a community. Our culture, our history are very strong. Our roots run deep from the motherland of Africa to the western soils. It's your move, black people. It's your move. The game is in your hands right now. We done played the game of all the different parties. We done fell for all nicely and neatly packaged ideas and offers. But you know what? Not one have benefited us yet. So it's your move in this game of chess. Those with power and authority, those with wealth and resources, it's your move. What can you do to benefit your community? What can you do to rebuild your villages, your neighborhoods, that would allow your people to thrive and grow abundantly? It's your move. In this game in which we was forced to play. Black people, it's not too late. It's time for us to take our minds off of everyone else's business and focus on what's truly important for us as a people moving forward. Politicians can't do what we can do for each other. This legal system cannot do what we can do for each other. They are so afraid of our powers and our gifts that they'll do anything to handicap us as a people. They'll even go as far to create devices and distractions in our neighborhoods that turn us against each other, just to keep us from growing and prospering. So, brothers and sisters, on this chessboard of life, I come here to say it's your move. And my question to you tonight is, what direction are you going in? I'm JT Stevens, and I'm just asking. Hit that like button, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this country moving forward. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's create a village so powerful, so resourceful, so informative, that nothing will be able to stop us as a people. And all that other stuff out there that's going on with those other folks, it's time to let them deal with their own mess. So black people, let's get our house in order. Let's raise up. Let's rise. We've been in the ashes too long. In the forest, they say, up through the ashes rises a mighty oak. We are that mighty oak. We are that people. So what's your move? Until the next time, may the love of God fill every area of your life. May the joy of God find you wherever you may be. And may the peace of God strengthen you through each and every day. I'm JT Stevens. I love you, but I'm just asking.